Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads. I'm going to be using the neon, and I also have glow in the dark. You're going to need some elastic string, scissors, and I have a needle that's optional. And we're going to start by cutting about 2 feet of string, and you can tie more on as you need. And we're going to start with adding 32 pink beads to that string. So you can go ahead and stop the video and get all of your beads on. Once you have your beads on, you're going to have a long side and a short side. And you're going to tie these together. Okay, and you can cut this off. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to add an orange bead, and let's pull this knot down a little bit. We're coming out of this bead. We're going to skip this one and go through the next one. We're going to skip a bead and go through the next one. So we're going through every other pink bead. Okay, we're going to continue to do this all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and do mine off camera, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, this is what it should look like after you have all your beads on. I have my last bead, and to start the next row, we're going to have to go through 2 beads, the pink and this orange. And now that we have this started, it's going to be a little bit easier. You're going to add an orange bead and go through the orange bead that's sticking out. Okay, so you're just going to add an orange and go through each bead that's sticking out. I'm going to go ahead and do this row off camera, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, this is what it looks like after you have all of your orange beads on. This is the last orange bead, and to start the next row, we need to go through these 2 orange. And for this row, we're going to add yellow. So we're always going to add 1 yellow, and then we'll go through the orange that's sticking out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this row off camera, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, this is what it should look like. I have my last bead, and to start this row, we need to go through the orange and this yellow bead. And for this row, we're going to add yellow. And we're just going through the bead that sticks out. Okay, I'm going to finish this row off camera and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, this is what it looks like after you have all your beads on. This is the last bead for this row, and we're going to go through 2 yellow. These 2 right here. Okay, now we're going to switch things up a little bit. You're going to take 4 clear beads and 1 green. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the string and we're going to go back through these clear beads. Not the green, only the clear. And what you can do is hold the green bead and then this long end and kind of pull it a little bit to tighten the string. So you pull on this side, but kind of hold the green here. It doesn't have to be super tight. You just don't want it to be loose. And then after you get that on, we're going to go, if you see we're coming out of this yellow, we're going to go through the next yellow that's sticking out. We're going to repeat that. Now don't worry about that green. We're just going to go back through these. And then pull this side to tighten it. And then you're going to go through that yellow bead that's sticking out. Okay, so we're going to do one of those for every section all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of mine off camera, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, this is what it should look like after you have all of yours on. This is my last one right here. What we're going to do is go through this yellow and then down all of these beads here. So first we'll go through the yellow. And then we're going to go back down. We went back down these 4. And we need to go through this green. Now you might need to straighten these as we add our beads on. You're going to take a green, and then we're going to go through a green. Add a green, and then go through one. Like some of these will have their string twisted, so you might need to untwist them. Okay, once you have your last one, this is what it should look like. We're going to go through these two green. And now we're going to add a blue bead. And for this row, you're going to skip a bead. So we're coming out of this one. We're going to skip this one and go through the next green. You know what? I want these sides to match up, so I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna go through the next bead. Bear with me, this is the second time I've made this bracelet, so we went through the three beads instead of two. We're gonna add the blue, skip this one, and go through the next one. Yes, okay, yeah. Sorry about that. There's certain beads that are sticking out on this side, and I want these to mirror that. So that's why we had to go through an additional bead there. An additional bead. Trying to work and think. All right. So all we're doing is adding one bead, skipping one, and going through the next one. Yes, okay. Add a blue, and we're going to go through the next green. add a blue. We're going to skip this one and go through the next one. We're going to add a blue and go through the next bead. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these off camera, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, I have my last blue, and this is what this row looks like. To start the next row, we're going to go through this green and blue. Now it's going to be a little easier because we know what beads we need to go through because they're already sticking out. And this row is blue. So you're just going to add a blue and go through one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this row off camera, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, I have all my blue on. To start the next row, we have our last bead on. We need to go through both of these blue. And now we're going to add purple. So you add a purple and go through the blue that's sticking out. Okay, go ahead and add all your purple in between the blue, and then I'll show you how to start the next row. Okay, I have all my purple beads on, and to start the next row, we need to go through the blue and the purple. And this is going to be our last row. We're just adding purple and then going through purple. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do mine off camera, and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm at the end here, and we're going to go up here to tie off. We're going to add, or not add, we're going to go through these two purple. And then you can just tie on this string right here. And you'll just want to do a couple of knots. And this is what it should look like. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.